everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have another unboxing and we have the April Glossybox, and if you want to see what we get inside this month, please go ahead and keep on watching. So this month's Glossybox comes in two boxes, two types of boxes. The fruity one that I have right here, or there's another floral one. I got the fruity one and the box is really pretty with fruity vibes, and in here says you're one in a melon. So let's open up the box and see what we have inside. So it is a really nice green color. We get the nice ribbon, we get the little edit that tells us about the products, and we do have a pink paper. So let's open up the paper and have a look inside. So I'm going to put it down and get one product at a time and read about it in the little edit. So I am going to start with this, let's see, Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Matte Veil, and I guess it's a serum. Okay, it's a serum and it is a full size. The price for this is £35, and it says in here, say goodbye to blemishes and imperfections with this weightless dual action serum formulated with shooting Oregon grapefruit extract. It helps reduce the appearance of pores, fight skin impurities and combat breakouts. After you've cleansed and moisturized, work this serum across your T-zone area for a perfect matte finish. A clearer and more balanced complexion awaits. So it is a full size. I am really excited to try that and see what I think of it. So yeah, that's one. Next we have the Hair Flick Hair Vitamins Vegan, Gluten and Gelatin Free Food Supplement Blue Raspberry Flavored 1 week travel pack. So this is that. So this one, it's worth £5, and if you want a month supply it's £20. They are making 3 and 6 month supplies available as well. So this Hair Flick boasting complex blend of vitamins and biotin, blue raspberry flavored hair vitamins are scientifically formulated to support healthy hair growth. Enjoy 2 gummies a day and they'll promote the gorgeous looks you've always dreamed of. They may even improve your skin and nails too. Okay, that is something. I don't know how I'm feeling about vitamins in a beauty box, but yeah, I guess I'll give this a try and see how it goes. Maybe I like them and I'll buy them in the full size. Next we have a Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Okay, I'm in for a mask. Wake up with an energized and refreshed complexion thanks to this regenerating sleeping mask. Rich in moisturizing pomegranates, its all natural and vegan formula deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. Apply a thin layer to clean and dry skin before bed, then let the mask work its magic while you sleep. So this is a deluxe mini and it's worth £14, and for a full size the price is £19. So really happy with that. I will give it a go. Next we get a Dr. Popo Hot Pink Balm, and this is a full size and it's £6.95. It's 25 mils and it says in here, formulated with moisturizing pawpaw fruit, this lip balm boosts the same fruity formula as the original balm, but with an added on-trend pink tint. It moisturizes and hydrates your pout while adding a touch of color. Apply to your lips for a glossy finish or to your cheeks for a fresh and rosy look. So I do have the yellow one, so I think that's the original one. And yeah, nice to have another one. Next, we've got a shower gel, and it is a full size, and it's a hydrating water infusion apple and melon from original source. Let's have a sniff. Oh my god, it smells really good and fresh. So this is a 250 mils and it's £2.30, and it says in here price will vary by retailer. Bursting with a luscious apple and melon scent, this hydrating body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses. It's infused with vitamins, antioxidants and moisturizing ingredients that nourish and detox your body from the outside in. Better yet, it's a paraben-free and vegan. Get ready for happy and healthy looking skin. Again, I don't know how I feel about shower gel in a beauty box, but I guess you can never have too much shower gel, so yeah, we'll give this a go. And last but not least, we have a Palmer's Natural Fusions Chia Seeds and Argan Oil Hair Mask. Deeply repairs and boosts hydration. And it's a sachet. It's a deluxe mini and it is an extra treat. Okay. We're also treating you to the intensive and deeply conditioning hair mask that nourishes dry and damaged locks. It's formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration and rejuvenates dull hair, as well as chia seeds, which help protect your tresses. Apply to clean and wet hair from roots to tips. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse. This deluxe mini costs £1.99 and a full size is £2.99, and this has 30 mils, so enough for a good hair mask. So yeah, so this is this month's box. I don't know, I'm not really impressed, probably because I was expecting maybe a makeup item or something in this box, but it's not a bad box, like I've seen worse. So this is this month's box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.